Okay, so this is the deal with the workplace readiness. In order for you to see the workplace readiness module, you have to be on this server, HSCCSD. If you're not on that server, then you're going to have to unclick. You're going to have to unclick the search, the CCSD. But if you're on HSCCSD, then you put in WRS, and there it is. When you're on here, what you're going to do is click on it, hit import, and you're going to have, in this course, you're going to have all the list of your actual courses from the school. You're just going to click all. I only have workrooms in here, so I'm not going to click all, and I'm going to end up adding it to other people's courses. But you're going to click all, or click all the courses it needs to go to, hit import, and the module will import. What the problem is right now is that most of your workrooms, not all of them, but most of your workrooms live on, let me just get one that is actually on that other server. See how I'm now in here? It says CCSD. When you're on the CCSD.instructure server, the workplace module can be found here, but when you put in WRS, it doesn't come up. But if you get rid of the filter there, it should come up. You might have to put in workplace. There it is. Because it's living on a separate server. Now you can import it from this server, but it would be best if you're on the high school server. That was part of the issue with the content not being able to play. Okay, and it does have update notes on that one as well. So that is how you add it into your courses. If you wanted to add that into your workroom, and your workroom is not on HSCCSD, you're going to have to go back into HSCCSD. I know, it's a pain. Find a course, like in my case, I know this one's there because I had that created on there so that I could get to the HSCCSD. I'm now here. Then when I go back on my dashboard, see how I'm still on there? You could create a workroom here. I actually did. I hit create workroom. I named it WRS. I'm not gonna do another one because I end up with too many here. But I ended up with so here I created, see how I'm still on here? And what I did was I imported from Commons. I imported the template. You just go import from Commons, authorize again. Every time you switch between servers, you have to authorize. You just put in CTE. The template course is here, and the workplace readiness modules there. If you wanted to import both of those into the course so that you have all that stuff there, then you'd be good to go. Do the work you need to do. You would then import existing content. So say you had that other workroom, I would go to copy Canvas course. I would go workroom. I know that this workroom might have the content I'm looking for. Actually, let me just hit one of the templates. Yeah, no, we'll do those. You have to know the date. So let's say it's this one. You can, instead of hitting all content, you could just do select specific content. That way you don't get, or if you've already done your shell, hit all. If you've already done all the template work and you've got everything ready to go, hit all content. Then hit import. It'll import it into there, and then everything will show up in that course, and you'll be on the same server and you won't have any problems copying things in. Another thing people are asking me is, what do you do to copy certain modules or pages from course to course? If say I needed to copy this home page to just one course, I would just go here and I would go copy to, find the course it's going to. So I'm just going to say, pretend like it's going here, template. If I want to choose where in that template I'm copying it, I would fix that, and then I'd hit copy and it will copy it over.